This week, our mentor text is about Martin Luther King Jr., and we are reading a biography. A biography is a book written by another person about somebody else. So, we're going to be reading this informational text and learning about Martin Luther King Jr. this week. And while we're learning, we're going to be thinking about key facts. And we've talked about facts before. Remember, a fact is something that is true or can be looked up. And when we talk about key facts, we are talking about the most important information in the text because there's a lot of things that happen in a person's life. But when we're reading and writing biographies or about a person, we only want to include the most important information. Some things to look for that will help us know the most important information are bold words. Those are the words that really kind of jump off the page. They're darker than the other words or bigger than the other words. That usually means that it's a new vocabulary word or a word we are unfamiliar with. Bold words we can usually find in the glossary at the end of a book to tell us what those words mean. We also want to look for headings. Headings are titles of the sections. So in an informational text, we often see different sections, and each section has a title. Those headings will give us a little bit of a clue as to what we're going to learn about. Headings also help us to think about most important information. An index you'll find at the end of the book. It tells you where the most important information is located in the text. It'll tell you what page to go to. Also, kind of like a table of contents, but an index breaks it down even more. So, in an index, you're really only going to find the most important information to look up. So, key facts tell us the most important information from the text.